What is the fundamental goal of a method statement in construction safety? A. To increase potential risks. B. To outline financial budgets. C. To ensure regulatory compliance. D. To encourage unsafe practices. Correct answer. C. To ensure regulatory compliance. What is the primary purpose of a method statement in construction health and safety? A. Outlining the project/S budget. B. Describing the sequence of work activities. C. Providing guidelines for employee salaries. D. Detailing the marketing strategy. Correct answer. B. Describing the sequence of work activities. Among the following, what is a prevalent cause of work-related fatalities in construction? A. Slippery surfaces. B. Misuse of personal protective equipment, PPE. C. Machinery malfunctions. D. Asphyxiation due to confined spaces. Correct answer. D. Asphyxiation due to confined spaces. What might be a result of overlooking accident prevention in a construction environment? A. Better regulatory compliance. B. Cost savings. C. Improved stakeholder relationships. D. Potential injuries and work stoppages. Correct answer. D. Potential injuries and work stoppages. What is A/plus/hazard/plus/ in the context of health and safety at work? A. A situation where there is no risk involved. B. A potential source of harm or adverse health effect. C. The likelihood of an accident occurring. D. An evaluation of safety measures. Correct answer. B. A potential source of harm or adverse health effect. Which hazard is commonly associated with /plus/obstructions/plus/ on a construction site? A. Heat stress. B. Physical strain. C. Inadequate lighting. D. Falling objects. Correct answer. B. Physical strain. Among the following, which is a typical hazard linked with wastes in a construction setting? A. Adequate ventilation systems. B. Faulty electrical wiring. C. Improper disposal of hazardous materials. D. Clear signage for emergency exits. Correct answer. C. Improper disposal of hazardous materials. How does reporting accidents contribute to improving safety? A. By avoiding compensation claims. B. By identifying patterns and trends in incidents. C. By punishing those responsible for accidents. D. By increasing administrative workload. Correct answer. B. By identifying patterns and trends in incidents. Which of the following should be included in an accident report? A. Names of witnesses only. B. Personal opinions about the incident. C. Only major injuries and incidents. D. Factual information about the accident and injuries sustained. Correct answer. D. Factual information about the accident and injuries sustained. In a construction setting, who should ensure that accident reports are accurately documented? A. Any witness to the accident. B. The injured party. C. The health and safety officer. D. The person in charge of the site at the time of the incident. Correct answer. D. The person in charge of the site at the time of the incident. What distinguishes a dynamic risk assessment from a static risk assessment in construction? A. Dynamic assessments are conducted by external agencies. B. Static assessments are conducted on a routine basis. C. Dynamic assessments adapt to changing conditions. D. Static assessments involve only written reports. Correct answer. C. Dynamic assessments adapt to changing conditions. Which of the following best describes the significance of safe manual handling in a construction environment? A. It helps in achieving project milestones quicker. B. It reduces absenteeism due to workplace injuries. C. It improves equipment durability. D. It streamlines communication between departments. Correct answer. B. It reduces absenteeism due to workplace injuries. What health issues are commonly associated with inadequate material manipulation techniques on construction sites? A. Anxiety disorders. B. Allergic reactions. C. Back pain and injuries. D. Neurological disorders. Correct answer. C. Back pain and injuries. According to current legislation and official guidance, what should an employee prioritize when it comes to mechanical lifting? A. Using any available lifting equipment. B. Prioritizing speed over safety. C. Adhering strictly to personal lifting preferences. D. Following proper training and guidelines for safe lifting practices. Correct answer. D. Following proper training and guidelines for safe lifting practices. Which action is recommended to prevent injury during manual handling? A. Lifting loads above waist height. B. Rotating the spine while lifting. C. Using your body/dash/S momentum to swing the load. D. Keeping a balanced and stable posture. Correct answer. D. Keeping a balanced and stable posture. How does the use of appropriate site safety equipment contribute to workplace safety? A. It speeds up work processes. B. It reduces the need for worker supervision. C. It minimizes the risk of accidents and injuries. D. It replaces the need for proper training. Correct answer. C. It minimizes the risk of accidents and injuries. Which aid is specifically designed to transport materials horizontally within a construction site? A. Sack barrows. B. Slings. C. Harnesses. D. Step ladders. Correct answer. A. Sack barrows. What action should be taken if a worker encounters difficulties while lifting a heavy load? A. Continue lifting to avoid delay. B. Seek assistance or use mechanical aids. C. Hesitate to ask for help to avoid embarrassment. D. Improvise a lifting technique. Correct answer. B. Seek assistance or use mechanical aids. According to safety guidelines, which scenario falls under /dash/ working at height /dash/? A. Working on ground level machinery. B. Working at a desk using a step stool. C. Repairing a roof without safety rails. D. Cleaning windows from inside the building. Correct answer. C. Repairing a roof without safety rails. What is an employee/dash/S responsibility when it comes to safety measures while working at height according to current legislation? A. Reviewing company financial reports. B. Attending daily meetings with supervisors. C. Following established safety procedures. D. Recommending new construction materials. Correct answer. C. Following established safety procedures. What risk is commonly associated with /+/overhead cables /+/ in a construction environment? A. Fire hazards. B. Electrical shocks. C. Noise pollution. D. Slips and falls. Correct answer. B. Electrical shocks. In terms of the working area in a construction environment, which hazard is commonly associated with it? A. Fire hazards. B. Noise hazards. C. Poor lighting. D. Biological hazards. Correct answer. A. Fire hazards. What can mitigate the risks associated with working at height when using ladders? A. Using ladders of any height. B. Using ladders with a secure base. C. Carrying heavy loads while on the ladder. D. Raising the ladder above the safe limit. Correct answer. B. Using ladders with a secure base. Which regulation emphasizes the need for regular inspection and maintenance of equipment used for working at height? A. RITA. B. PURE. C. CDM. D. LOLER. Correct answer. D. LOLER. What substance, often used in construction, can cause skin irritation and dermatitis upon prolonged contact? A. Cement. B. Lead. C. Asbestos. D. Silica. Correct answer. A. Cement. Which substance, often found in construction materials, poses a threat due to its potential to cause respiratory problems? A. Silica dust. B. Lead paint. C. PVC pipes. D. Stainless steel. Correct answer. A. Silica dust. How does drug usage potentially contribute to risks in a construction workplace? A. Heightened situational awareness. B. Improved coordination and precision. C. Increased potential for accidents and errors. D. Enhanced problem-solving skills. Correct answer. C. Increased potential for accidents and errors. How can correct storage of combustibles and chemicals contribute to a safer construction environment? A. By minimizing equipment usage. B. By preventing unauthorized access. C. By reducing accident reporting. D. By averting fire-related incidents. Correct answer. D. By averting fire-related incidents. Why should construction workers wash their hands regularly on site? A. To reduce soil erosion. B. To improve hand strength. C. To prevent skin irritation. D. To remove dirt, germs, and contaminants. Correct answer. D. To remove dirt, germs, and contaminants. How does asbestos primarily enter the body? A. Through ingestion. B. Through the skin. C. Through inhalation. D. Through eye contact. Correct answer. C. Through inhalation. What is an example of asbestos waste found in thermal insulation materials? A. Linpit asbestos. B. Cement products. C. Vinyl floor tiles. D. Plasterboard. Correct answer. A. Linpit asbestos. Which footwear would be best for protection against chemical spills or hazardous materials on a construction site? A. Steel-toed boots. B. Sneakers. C. Sandals. D. Leather shoes. Correct answer. A. Steel-toed boots. What is a common hazard associated with operating heavy plant machinery? A. Adequate warning signs. B. Excessive noise levels. C. Clear and defined escape routes. D. Routine equipment inspections. Correct answer. B. Excessive noise levels. When working around heavy machinery, what poses a significant risk to workers/safety? A. Utilizing personal protective equipment, PPE. B. Conducting routine safety drills. C. Inadequate training and supervision. D. Regular breaks and rest periods. Correct answer. C. Inadequate training and supervision. Why are safeguards placed in close proximity to plant and equipment in a construction environment? A. To obstruct visibility for safety reasons. B. To act as physical barriers for unauthorized access. C. To facilitate easy maintenance and repair. D. To offer immediate protection against potential hazards. Correct answer. D. To offer immediate protection against potential hazards. What role does maintaining a safe distance from plant and equipment serve in a construction environment? A. Enhancing equipment performance. B. Reducing communication barriers. C. Ensuring personal efficiency. D. Mitigating potential hazards. Correct answer. D. Mitigating potential hazards. How do method statements contribute to enhancing worker safety when dealing with moving plant and machinery? A. By detailing the equipment/S market value. B. By providing an inventory of construction tools. C. By outlining safe working procedures and precautions. D. By listing the construction project/S timeline. Correct answer. C. By outlining safe working procedures and precautions. Which action contributes to enhancing safety when working around plant and equipment? A. Failing to communicate hazards to fellow workers. B. Providing workers with appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. C. Removing emergency stop buttons for easier access. D. Overlooking safety guidelines in the interest of saving time. Correct answer. B. Providing workers with appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. According to official guidance, what is the recommended frequency for inspecting personal protective equipment, PPE, used when working at height? A. Monthly. B. Annually. C. Daily. D. Biennially. Correct answer. C. Daily. What is an employee/S responsibility in terms of communication while working at height? A. Use any communication method available. B. Keep communication to a minimum to avoid distractions. C. Use hand signals exclusively. D. Use designated communication devices as specified. Correct answer. D. Use designated communication devices as specified.